Good afternoon, and let's look at the midday movers today, starting with Hindustan Copper. Now, this is the top Nifty 500 gainer today. It's gained as much as 6% in trade, and this is on the back of a good set of Q1 FY21 numbers. Now, let's look at the revenue. The revenue is up by 42%, and it's coming at 431 crores, while the profits also have increased by 40% on a year-on-year basis and have come in at 29.8 crores. So, very positive over here, and surely the market has also given it a thumbs up. Moving on to National Fertilizers. Now here the company stock price has seen a nice up move, 3% up move in trade, and this is on the back of some positive news coming in here, as the company has recorded total fertilizer sales of around 23.81 lakh metric ton in April to August, and that growth is obviously 16% on a YOY basis compared to the previous best, which was 20.57 lakh metric tons. I'm sorry. So surely we are seeing some positive signs over there on the sales front, as well as the production also. That has also seen a nice growth of 13% on a year-on-year basis, and the production is now at 16.1 lakh metric ton of urea. So that is very positive for the first 5 months, and we are seeing some signs of improvement over here. Now moving on to steel strip wheels, stock is also buzzing in trade. Positive signs over here, as the company has received export orders of nearly 2,700 wheels from US truck trailer, and that is expected to be executed by October from their Chennai plant. So this is very positive, and we're seeing a nice up move in the stock as well. Now moving on to some bunch trades, the block deals, bulk deals that we're seeing in the morning today. In opening, when the markets opened, we did see a bunch trade of equities in Max Healthcare, and after that we've seen the stock surging. It went up more than 10% in trade after around this 5.2% equity was traded in a bunch deal. A block deal is what we call it. So that is something interesting, and we'll surely keep an eye out for the names of the people who have actually bought into Max Healthcare as well. Now, one more block deal that we're seeing is Amber Enterprises. Here, it is the stock price is this falling in trade. It's tanking in trade. It's fallen as much as 10.5% after the equity trade, the bunch deal or the block deal is that what we saw. And now today it's one of the top Nifty 500 losers in the index over there. So that is something that we saw, very two different things. Max Healthcare showing an up move, positive trend over there today due to the block deal, while Amber Enterprises tanking in trade, down more than 10% or around 10% is what you could say, especially after the QIP issued yesterday. It closed yesterday, and yesterday the issue price was fixed at 1780 per share, plus the equity trade or the block deal is something that impacted the stock price today. And these are the stocks that are buzzing, or top gainers and losers today in trade.